So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a YouTube short here on InShot. So once InShot is opened up, I want you to go into your video here and I want you to go to where it says Canvas and press on that. Once you're on this page, make sure that the aspect ratio is selected and just scroll across here. So where it says 9 by 16 for either the TikTok logo or the Reels logo or YouTube Shorts logo, go ahead and press either one of those. What this will actually do is now format your video so that it fits a YouTube short. So if you go ahead and press on the check mark right here and you were to go ahead and play your video, for example, it'll be in the format of a YouTube short, which you can then save and upload to YouTube. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can make a YouTube short here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.